Interference is when two nearby sources emit waves, and the waves can mix or superpose to generate alternating additive waves of higher amplitude, also known as constructive interference, and subtractive waves of lower amplitude, also known as destructive interference, or waves of the same amplitude. So here we have two of the exact same sources. These sources are going to emit at simultaneously a red light and then a blue light. And each of these lights is outlined with a yellow. So this one's pushing out red, just as this one's pushing out red, but you see a little bit of yellow. Then you'll see the next time you see the blue starting to form in the center, it'll push out a blue light afterwards. Now they're pushing out, the waves are being pushed out in all directions. And when these two waves collide into one another, they have destructive interference. So our destructive interference results, in this case, complete destructive, because we see no wave there. Or you see this teal color. And everywhere you see this teal is a complete destructive interference. Now you can have the opposite of constructive interference. And whenever you see these alternating fringes around the destructive interference, those are your constructive interferences. So let's go take a look at this animation and see if you can follow along with the constructive and destructive interferences. So here we are, and you can see the light is being pushed out simultaneously, an alternating red and blue, and they're outlined by yellow. And when the two waves meet each other in the center, they have complete destruction, and you see that teal color, the greenish blue color. And when they add, you'll see these alternating fringes of additive light or constructive interference. This is what we mean by interference. Generally, you see interference patterns where you see alternating fringes of constructive and destructive interference, and they're outlined by complete destructive interference.